Today we are going to bake brownies. Onii and I are going to make milk chocolate brownies. So we are going to use Pillsbury milk chocolate brownie mix, and for that we are going to need some oil, water and egg. What is this, Onii?
Egg.
And what is this?
Oil.
And what is this?
Water.
Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take the brownie mixture and we are going to empty it into the bowl. You ready, Onii?
Yes.
Before we did everything, the first thing we did was we washed our hands with soap and water. So now our hands are all clean. Okay, so I'm going to empty the mixture into the bowl like this.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. Okay, and oh, be careful, Onii. We're gonna add the 2 eggs, the oil, and the water. And we are going to mix it like this.
Wait.
Okay, can you mix it, Onii?
Wow, chocolate.
Yes, that's chocolate.
I think
Oh, we don't need sprinkles for this one. We can decorate it later. Okay, your turn. While Onii's mixing the mixture, I'm going to set the oven to 350 Celsius, and I'm gonna prepare the baking tray too. Okay, Onii, mix it real good.
Wait.
Okay, mix it. Can you show your friends?
See, chocolate.
Brownies.
Brownie chocolate.
Yes. So we have to bake the brownies at 350 Celsius, and it has to be like 15-20 minutes.
I help you.
Oh, you're gonna help me?
Okay.
What color is this?
Brownie.
Yes, brown color.
No, I help you.
Okay. Okay, yeah, you can mix it, Onii. Yes. Can you show your friends?
See?
Okay.
Wait. What's on
Yeah, I know. Okay. Can you tell your friends what color is this box?
Box.
What color is the box?
Box.
What color is this?
Blue.
Yes, blue. I think our mixture is ready. Now we're going to put the mixture into this baking pan and we're going to put it in the oven. After we bake the brownies, we are going to decorate it with some icing. Because of that, for the brownies to get ready, it's going to take some time. So what we did was we baked some brownies before and it's already ready to decorate.
Sandwich.
Yes. Okay, let's put it over here.
No, wait.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Let's pour it like this.
Wait.
No, we're going to use this one, like this, see?
No.
Or like, you want me to do it like this?
Avoid this.
Or like this?
Okay.
Okay.
No,
Okay. So she wants me to do it like this. Oh, let's do it like this, Onii, see?
No. Papa, soak it.
Yeah, it's okay. So it's all ready now, Lee.
Papa.
See? All ready. Now we are going to decorate it, okay?
No,
Okay, you can put it here.
No.
Here go the icing, Onii. Here you go.
I see that.
Yes, we are going to ice it. So I'm gonna put the mixture inside the
I see
oven.
that.
Yes, we are going to icing it, Onii.
Putu.
Yes, it's hot. Just be careful. So you can see, now I put the brownie mixture inside the oven and we're gonna bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, our brownies are all ready, and we did cut into squares like this, so it's easy for us to decorate. Let me open it for you now.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute, okay? Okay, yes, this is the opening. What color is this, Onii?
White.
Yes. So look, friends, Onia's decorating the brownies right now. Okay, this one now. She's gonna do her own designs. So for decoration, I'm gonna use this Betty Crocker white gel ice decorating, and also the pink color.
No, give me.
Oh, you wanna do it? Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and do it. You want me to help you?
No.
Or you can do it? So it's gonna be like this, friends.
Okay. Okay.
This is all Onia's designs, friends.
Okay.
Can you do more like this? Around it, Onia.
No, I'm here. Okay, no.
Oh, you want the pink one now?
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell your friends what colors you see?
Colors.
What colors?
Pink.
And what is this color?
White.
Yes, white and pink. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Slowly.
White. Bye.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. You can put some over here, Onia. On this one.
Okay, okay, wait.
Okay. You gonna put more decorations? You can put some white over here, see?
No, wait. Oh, wait a minute. That's
Oh, this one? You want some right here?
right here.
Okay.
White.
Is it ready now?
Yes.
Okay, can you show your friends what you did with your brownies? Look, friends, Onia decorate her brownies really nicely. It looks very pretty.
Okay.
Everything is ready now?
That's it.
Oh, this side now? Alright, friends, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye, friends. Onia, can you say bye and thank you to your friends?
Thank you, friends.
And can you say bye to your friends?
Bye,